Looking for the sports channel, Gary.
What it do, YouTube? Welcome back to another video with your boy Sticks. Actually just left the gym and I actually had my camera with me and I was like, you know what? Let's make another POV videos. You guys know this is pretty much what we do nowadays. I want you guys to actually feel what it's like to kind of be me in a sense, in a way. I don't know, you know what I mean? You guys know what I'm talking about. Thank God the weather is not too bad. It's not too cold. This past weekend it was just crazy, but today is not too bad. Shoot, is that a cop? I don't know, but I'm about to turn and do some bad again. All right, guys. Oh, no, I am not waiting for that light. Wildin'. I don't know if I should drive an automatic or manual. I don't know. Well, maybe we'll switch on and off, but for right now, we'll keep an automatic. Car is so good, bro. Handles so well. Just wastes a lot of gas. Other than that, it's pretty darn good. Not gonna lie to you guys. I'm working towards getting a better mic for this camera, like a mic that is like not directly connected to it. That way I can like place it somewhere and you guys can hear the car better. Because I mean the GoPro doesn't really pick up the audio as good as I would like it to. So I'm working on it. I'm still, you know, doing some research, and obviously you need the money. The previous video when I went to the city and I found that other car, you guys just probably don't even hear how like crazy that car sounded, bro. Even my car sounded so loud, but the camera just doesn't pick it up as well as I would like it to. But we'll still do our research and find something. Car should be pretty warm now, so we should be good to go. Maybe we run into something on the highway to make it fun, but if not, we're just gonna have fun either way, so stay tuned. Gotta avoid these little bumps over here because they are a little crazy. Where you blinking lights at, boy? I'll beat your ass. Why, you wanna go? Pull up, bruh. I'm gonna leave you in the dust. Come on, bring that little beamer up here, man. You don't want the smoke. Oh, he on the highway too. Wait, is that who I think it is? Maybe that's why he flashed the lights at me, because he probably know me. So pull up. Oh, he coming or what? Come, let's go. He about to exit. He's scared. Who is it? Maybe I know him. I don't know. But he going mad slow. Okay, I mean not mad slow, because you know we are going 70 on a what, 50. So it's not mad slow, but he's going too slow for me to, you know, do anything with him. So I'll just see him later. We out. See what's going on in the highway, man. BMW Q60 right there, but I don't think they want any of the smoke. Like when you're going fast like this, or you know, you don't even talk that much because you're so focused on the road. You just gotta be focused. So, you know, that's probably why people don't really talk when they're cutting up. They're just so focused, bro, because everything is happening so fast and so slow at the same time. But it's so fun. It's always fun to, you know, I like driving like this. It's just, bro, by the time I get home, I'm gonna have no gas. That's the only issue. But it's whatever, bro. For you guys, we out. bump here. Oh, yeah. Slow down, guys. I gotta take this exit. Oh, that was lit. I wish I had somebody to cut up with, bro. Yo, if one of you guys are in New York, bro, and you guys want to cut up, let me know, bro. Let's link up. Oh, look, I think that's a 440 in front of me. Let's link up and let's make a video, bro, cutting up. Nothing too crazy, you feel me? Because I ain't trying to die. But I don't need no crazy ass driver either. But you know, somebody that's just willing to do a little cutting up, let me know, man. We can link up, can do some cutting up on the way to the city. It will be fun. Nothing too crazy, you know. We'll do it safely, but still make it fun type thing. So let me know, man. We'll link up. Let's go to the city and just make some noise, man. So, but that's pretty much it, guys. Your boy is I'm just gonna go get something real quick. Oh, that's a cop right there. I'm just gonna go grab something real quick at the pharmacy and just pretty much head home. So if you guys enjoyed this little video, it wasn't nothing too crazy, but just a little bit of adrenaline rush, speeding, you know, a little bit, nothing crazy. Cops don't come after me. I was doing it safely. So if you guys enjoyed that, make sure you like the video, comment down below any other video ideas you guys have, and just appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.